Hello everyone, welcome to premiermath. In this series, we are discussing CGL mains questions from previous years. We'll be solving all these questions using speed matrix. So, let's start our session. Our first question is, find the average of the following set of numbers. Here all the numbers are different range. So, if you try to find a trick, that will waste your time. So, instead of finding a trick, just add the numbers and find the average. 600 plus 300, 900, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 9, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 8, 42, 42 plus 10, 52. So 5200. Again, here 9 repeated 4 times. 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 8, 44. 44 plus 3, 47 plus 3, 50 plus 7, 57 plus 5, 57 plus 5 is equal to 62. So 620. Again 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 6, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. So this is a sum. Sum is equal to 200 plus 658 is equal to 858. So 5858 divided by total number, average of 9 numbers. There are total 9 numbers. So divide it with 9. 9 goes 6 times in 54, remaining 4. So 9 goes 5 times in 45, remaining 8. So 9 goes 0 times in 8, remaining 8. 9 goes 8 times in 72. So 650.8. Option 3 is your answer. The largest 3-digit number that gives the same remainder 2 when divided by 3, 5 and 9 is. Here take the LCM of 3, 5 and 9. 3 goes in 9, so 9 into 5, 45 is the LCM. Now if you take the multiple of 45, all that multiples are divided by 3, 5 and 9. But here this 3-digit number gives remainder 2 means the number is equal to multiple of 45 plus 2, remainder 2. Now, unit digit of 45 n must be 0 or 5. So, if you add 2 to 0, unit digit should be 2. And if you add 2 to 5, unit digit should be 7. Now, if you look for unit digit 2 or 7, you will get option 4 as your answer. A person can hit a target 5 times out of 8 shots. If he fires 10 shots, what is the probability that he will hit the target twice? Here, probability of success is 5 out of 8 times he hit the target. And probability of failure is 3 out of 8 times he missed the target. Now, he fires 10 shots. Out of this 10 shots, he should hit the target twice. So 10 C2 ways he can do this. That is, out of this 10 shot, he should hit the target twice. Now, here probability of success is 5 by 8. So when you hit the target once, probability of success is 5 by 8. But when you hit the target twice, probability of success is 5 by 8 the whole square. And here, when you hit the target, probability of failure is 3 by 8. But out of this 10, 2 times you hit the target. So remaining 8 times you fail. So probability of failure is equal to 3 by 8 raised to 8. Total 2 plus 8 is 10 times. So 5 by 8 the whole square, you hit the target twice. So this is the chance of success. And 3 by 8 the whole raised to 8 is the chances of failure. Now 10 C2 ways you can do this. So multiply all these together. This is your answer. So 10 C2 means 9 into 10 by 2, which is equal to 45. So 45 into, this is 5 square is equal to 25. And here you have 3 raised to 8. Divided by 8 square into 8 raised to 8. So 8 raised to 2 plus 8 is 10. 8 raised to 10. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 8 raised to 10. Now 45 into 25 means 5 5s are 25, 5 into 2 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 2, 32, remaining 3, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So 45 into 25 is equal to 1125. Option 4 is your answer. That is, Here the formula is equal to NCR into P raised to R into Q raised to N minus R. Here N is equal to 10. That is, you are hitting the target 10 times. Out of this 10 times, you should hit the target 2 times. So R is equal to 2. N is equal to 10 and R is equal to 2. And here P raised to R means probability of success and Q raised to N minus R means probability of failure. So this is the formula. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from top of building whose height is 680 meters 45 degree and angle of elevation of top of the same tower from the foot of the same building is 60 degree. What is the height of the tower? Here this is height of the tower which is 680 meter. Now from this top of the building to the top of the tower, this is top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. And from the foot of the building to the top of the tower, angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now, if this is 680, this height is also 680. Consider this height as x meter. Now, from this upper triangle, tan 45 is equal to 1, which means opposite side and adjacent side are in the ratio 1:1. If one part is x, then this is also one part which is x. So this horizontal distance is constant which is x. Now from this larger triangle, tan 60 is √3, which means opposite side and adjacent side are in the ratio √3:1. Now √3 part is equal to 680 plus x. √3 part is equal to 680 plus x. And here one part is constant which is x, which is horizontal distance x. If one part is x, then √3 part is equal to √3x. So here the 680 plus x is √3x, which is the height of tower. 680 plus x. Now √3x minus x is equal to 680. That is, x is equal to 680 divided by √3 minus 1. Height of the tower is √3x. So 680 by √3 minus 1 into √3. Now to remove this √3 minus 1, multiply it with √3 plus 1 divided by √3 plus 1. Now √3 minus 1 into √3 plus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So this is equal to 2 goes 340 times in 680. Now remaining is equal to √3 into √3 plus 1. So this is equal to 340 into multiply √3 inside. 3 plus √3. So your answer is option 1. The median of set of 11 distinct observations is 73.2. If each of the largest 5 observation of set is increased by 3, then median of the new set is. Here, median of 11 distinct observation means arrange this 11 numbers in ascending order. Then median is the middle number. Here middle number is 6th number. So 6th number is the median, means you have 5 numbers left side of this median and 5 numbers right side of this median. Now this right side 5 numbers are the largest among this 11 numbers. And when you increase this largest 5 numbers by 3, there will be no change in the ascending order of this 11 numbers. That is, when you increase these 5 numbers by 3, there will be no change in the ascending order. So no change in the median. No change in the median. Option 3 is your answer. In a trapezium ABCD, AB and DC are parallel to each other with a perpendicular distance of 8 meter between them. Also, AD equal to BC equal to 10 meter and AB is 15 meter less than DC. What is the perimeter of the trapezium ABCD? Here, this is ABCD. Trapezium ABCD. And here AD equal to BC is 10 centimeter and AB is 15 meter. AB is equal to 15 meter, which is less than DC. Now, height, perpendicular distance is 8. So this is 8 means this is a right angle triangle. So 10 square minus 8 square is 6 square. So this length is equal to 6 meter. Also here, this length is also 6 meter. And here This is 15. So total is equal to 15 plus 50, 30, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 12, 62. Option 3 is your answer. Perimeter is equal to 62. A prism and pyramid have the same base and same height. Find the ratio of the volume of prism and pyramid. Volume of prism is equal to base area into height. And volume of pyramid is equal to 1 by 3 base area into height. Here, base area and height are same, which means 3:1 is the ratio. Option 2 is your answer. Find the value of x square from the following. Here root 64 is 8 and root 121 is 11 and root 169 is equal to 13. So minus 13 plus 11 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 8 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 means x square is equal to 36. Option 3 is your answer. If 2 LED TVs and 1 mobile phone costs 31,000 while 2 mobile phones and 1 LED TV costs 35,000, then value of 1 mobile phone is. Here 2 LED TV plus 1 mobile phone costs 31,000 and 2 mobile phone plus 1 LED TV costs 35,000. Now we have to find the value of 1 mobile phone. So multiply the second equation with 2. So 2 TV plus 4 mobile phone costs 35 into 2, 70,000. Now take the difference between these two equations. 2t minus 2t is 0. 4m minus 1m is equal to 3m. 3m is equal to 70 minus 31 is equal to 39. So 3 mobile phone costs 39,000 means 1 mobile phone costs 13,000. Option 3 is your answer. What is the volume of cylinder? If the radius of cylinder is 10 cm and height is 20 cm, take pi as 3.14. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to 3.14 into radius is 10. So 10 square into height is 20. Now this is equal to 314 into 20, which is equal to 6280. Option 1 is your answer. PQR can finish a work in 5 days, 10 days and 15 days respectively working alone. P and Q work on first day, P and R work on second day, P and Q works on third day and so on till the work is completed. In how many days work will be completed? Here PQR can complete a work in 5 days, 10 days and 15 days respectively. Now all are doing the same work. Take the LCM. LCM is 30. 5 goes 6 times in 30. 10 goes 3 times in 30, 15 goes 2 times in 30. Total work is 30 unit and P can complete 6 unit in 1 day. Q can complete 3 unit of work in 1 day. R can complete 2 unit of work in 1 day. And here P works daily and Q and R works alternately. That is P plus Q work on first day and P and R work on second day. Again P plus Q work on third day and so on. So here P plus Q together complete 6 plus 3, 9 unit of work in first day. P plus R complete 6 plus 2, 8 unit of work in second day. Again P plus Q complete 9 unit of work in third day. Here total work is 30 unit. So in 3 days work completed is equal to 18 plus 8, 26 unit. So remaining work is 4 unit. Total work is 30 unit. Remaining work 4 unit completed in 4 by 8 days because P plus R can complete 8 unit of work in. P plus R can complete 6 plus 2, 8 unit of work in 1 day. So 4 unit will be completed in 4 by 8 days, which is equal to 1 by 2 days. So total days is equal to 3 days plus half day. Option 3 is your answer. 7 by 2 days. A goods train 350 meter long passes through a tunnel of length 1250 meter in 80 seconds. What is the speed of the train? Here, this train has to cover this tunnel in 80 seconds means this train has to cover 350 meter plus 1250 meter in 80 seconds because this is the goods train. This goods train has to cover this 1250 meter. Now, to pass this tunnel completely means this end of this train bogie. End of this train bogie. This is the end of this train bogie has to be completely out of this tunnel in 80 seconds. Which means here this train has to cover this 1250 meter plus 350 meter. Because when this train travel 1250 plus 350 meter, end of the bogie. This train's end of the bogie is completely out of this tunnel. So, total 1600 meter, this train travel in 80 seconds. That is, to make this end of the bogie completely outside of this tunnel, this train has to travel 1250 plus 350 meter. So, speed is equal to total distance is 1250 plus 350 and total time taken is 80, which is equal to 1600 by 80, which is 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second means 20 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 5 goes 4 times in 20. 4 into 18 is 72 kilometer per hour. Option 4 is your answer. If one of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 15 by 16 times of one of the interior angles of regular decagon, then find the number of diagonals of the polygon. Here, number of interior angular formula is equal to n minus 2 divided by n into 180. So, interior angle of a polygon is 15 by 16 times interior angle of decagon. Decagon means 10 sides. So, which is equal to 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 by 10 into 180 is interior angle of decagon. Now, 180 and 180 cancel. 5 goes 3 times in 15, 2 times in 10, 8 goes 2 times in 16. So, 3 by 4 is equal to n minus 2 by n is equal means 4n minus 8. 4n minus 8 is equal to 3n, which means here n is equal to, from this n is equal to 8. That is, this polygon has 8 sides. Then, number of diagonal formula is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. So, diagonal is equal to, number of diagonal is equal to 8 into 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 divided by 2. So, which is equal to 20. So, number of diagonals of 8-sided polygon is 20. Option 1 is your answer. If the 4-digit number 463y is divisible by 7, then what is the value of y? Here 463y divided by 7. 7 goes 6 times in 42. Again 7 goes 6 times in 42. Remaining 1y. So 1y means y should be 4 here. Multiple of 7 with tens place 1 means y should be 4. Option 1 is your answer. If a cot theta plus b cosec theta is equal to p and b cot theta plus a cosec theta is equal to q, then p square minus q square is equal to p square minus q square means p plus q into p minus q. Now write p plus q and p minus q. Here p plus q means adding this p and q. Here cot theta plus cosec theta is common in p and q. So take cot theta plus cosec theta outside. Now remaining will be a plus b in both p and q. Now take p minus q. P minus q means this will become minus b cot theta and this will become minus a cosec theta. Now if you take cot theta minus cosec theta from both of them, cot theta minus cosec theta. If you take cot theta minus cosec theta from p, remaining will become a minus b. And if you take cot theta minus cosec theta from minus q, remaining will become a minus b. So, take cot theta minus cosec theta outside from p minus q, then remaining is equal to a minus b. Now, p plus q into p minus q is equal to p square minus q square. So, multiply these two. When you multiply these two together, you will get a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And here cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta will become cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Now, if you take minus outside from this cot square theta minus cosec square theta, this will become minus of a square minus b square means plus b square minus a square. Now, remaining will become cosec square theta minus cot square theta, which is equal to 1. So, your answer is b square minus a square. Option 1 is your answer. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. If angle P is 3 times of angle R and angle S is 4 times of angle Q, then sum of angle S and angle R will be. Sum of opposite angles is 180 degree in a cyclic quadrilateral. So here this is PQRS. Now angle P is 3 times angle R, and angle S is 4 times angle Q, which means here 3R plus R, 4R. Sum of opposite angles is 180. So 4R is equal to 180 means R is equal to 4 goes 4 times in 16, 4 goes 5 times in 20. R is equal to 45 degree. Same way 4Q plus Q is equal to 5Q. 5Q is equal to 180 degree means Q is equal to 5 goes 3 times in 15, 6 times in 30. So Q is equal to 36. Then angle S plus angle R means angle S plus angle R. Angle S is equal to 4Q. So 4 into Q is equal to 4 into 36 plus angle R is equal to 45 degree. Now 4 into 3 120. 120 plus 45 is equal to 165. 165 plus 6 into 4 24. 165 plus 24 is 189. Option 4 is your answer. Working for 10 hours per day, 6 men can build a wall in certain number of days. By working for how many hours or minutes per day can 12 men build the wall in same days? Here, work is same. 6 men can complete a wall in 10 hours per day. Then 12 men can complete this wall in T hours per day. Here 6 goes 2 times in 12, 2 goes 5 times in 10. So number of hours is equal to 5. Option 2 is your answer. Here we are using the formula M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. Here instead of number of days, take total number of hours. That is, you can use T1, T2 also here. Here number of days and work is same. So use T1 and T2 instead of days. If 2 raised to x plus 3 raised to y is 17 and 2 raised to x plus 2 minus 3 raised to y plus 1 is 5, then find the value of x and y. Here 8 plus 9 is 17. So 2q plus 3 square is 17. Then x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now let's check the second one also. 2 raised to x plus 2 means 2 raised to 5 minus 3 raised to y plus 1 means 3 raised to 3 is equal to 5. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 3 cube is 27. So 32 minus 27 is 5. So option 3 is your answer. What is the mode of the given data? Here take the most repeated number. Here 7 repeated 5 times. So option 1 is your answer. 7 is the mode of the data here. That is, take the most repeated number. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 11? Take the odd place sum and even place sum of these numbers. If the difference between odd place sum and even place sum is 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Here 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10. 10 is odd place sum. Now 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10. 10 is even place sum. So 10 minus 10 is 0 means this number is divisible by 11. Option 1 is your answer. It is given that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. AB is 5 cm, angle B is 40, angle A is 80. Which of the following options is true? Here congruent triangle means triangles are same in shape and size. Here this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Now write the letters in the same order. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. AB is equal to 5 cm, angle B is 40 degree, angle A is 80 degree. Then angle C is equal to 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. If AB is equal to 5 cm, PQ should be 5 cm. And if you look at this, PQ is 5 in option 1 and PQ is 5 in option 2. And here angle R is 60 degree. Here angle C is 60 degree means angle R should be 60 degree. Which means option 1 is your answer. Here angle P is not 60 degree, angle P should be 80. And here angle Q should be 40. So option 1 is your answer. How many kilograms of rice costing rupees 60 per kilogram must be mixed with 24 kilogram of rice costing rupees 42 per kilogram, so that there may be a gain of 12% by selling the mixture at rupees 56 per kilogram. Here we have two varieties of rice. One costs 60 per kilogram and other costs 42 per kilogram. Now 42 per kilogram total weight is equal to 24 kilogram. But we don't know the total weight of 60 per kilogram. Consider it as x kilogram. Now you are mixing these two varieties together and you should get a gain of 12% by selling the mixture at rupees 56 per kilogram. So when you mix these two varieties of rice, you should sell it at 56 per kilogram. So sell price is equal to 56 per kilogram and you should get 12% gain from it. So 12% gain means plus 12 by 100. 4 goes 3 times in 12, 25 times in 100. That is 25 part is the cost price and 3 part is the gain from this 25 part. So 25 part cost price and 25 plus 3, 28 part sell price. But here sell price is given as 56. 28 into 2 is 56. 25 into 2 should be 50. So cost price should be 50. Cost price should be 50. Which means here cost price of first variety is 60 per kilogram. Cost price of second variety is 42 per kilogram. So when you mix these two together, this mixture's cost price should be 50 per kilogram. Now use the allocation method. Difference between 60 and 50 is 10. Difference between 50 and 42 is 8. So you should make these two varieties in the ratio 8:10. Which means this 8:10 is in the same ratio of x:24. Then from this you can find the value of x. 24 into 8 divided by 10. 24 into 8 means 8 into 4 is 32. Remaining 3, 8 into 2, 16 plus 3, 19. So 19.2 kilogram. Amount of 60 per kilogram is 19.2 kilogram. Option 3 is your answer. At a clearance sale, a shopkeeper gives 45% discount. If a customer paid rupees 330 during the sale, then what is the marked price of that shirt? Here this 45% discount is giving on this marked price. So take the ratio. 45 discount on the marked price. 45% means 45 by 100. Now this 45 is the discount and 100 is the marked price. If you take the ratio, 5 goes 9 times in 45, 5 goes 20 times in 100. Which means 20 part is the marked price and 20 minus 9, 11 part is the selling price. Selling price here is equal to 330 rupees. Now 11 into 30 is 330. Same way 20 into 30 is 600 is the marked price. Option 2 is your answer. Or you can use like consider marked price as 100, then selling price as 45% discount means when you give 45% out of this 100, remaining 55 is the selling price. But 55 is given as 330 rupees in the question. 55 into 6 is 330, which means 100 into 6 is 600. So in this way you can also find the answer. Marked price is 600. If 20% of A plus B is 30% of A minus B, then what percentage of B is equal to A? What percentage of B equal to A means B should be in the denominator when you convert it into percentage and write A in terms of B. Here 20% means 1 by 5, or write 20% of A plus B is equal to 30% of A minus B. Percentage cancel, 0 cancel. 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B. From this 3A minus 2A is A, 2B plus 3B is 5B. So A is equal to 5 times B means A is 500% of B. A is 500% of B. Option 3 is your answer. Or if you have confusion, here what percentage of B is equal to A? What percentage of B means write B in the denominator. Now write A in terms of B and convert it into percentage. Here A is equal to 5B. A is 5B. So 5b by b into 100 means 500%. Find the coordinate of the point where the graph 57x minus 19y equal to 399 cuts the coordinate axis. Here this graph cuts the coordinate axis at some values of x and y. To find the values, put y is equal to 0 in this equation and find the value of x. When you put value as y as 0, 57x is equal to 399 from the equation. 7 into 7, 49, remaining 4, 7 into 5, 35 plus 4, 39. So 57 goes 7 times in 399. So when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 7. Now put the value of x as 0 and find the value of y from the equation. So when you put the value of x 0, minus 19y is equal to 399. Means 19 into 20 is 380. Then 19 into 21 is 399. So here minus y is 21 means y is equal to minus 21. So here coordinates are when x is 0. When x is 0, y is equal to minus 21. And when y is 0, x is equal to 7. So coordinates are 7, 0, 0, minus 21. Option 3 is your answer. That is, here the graph is like at 7, x is 7 and at y is minus 21. The graph cuts the coordinate axis. This is the graph. Rajneesh borrowed 1500 from a bank and repaid the entire amount with interest in 2 equal annual installments. The first installment being paid a year after Rajneesh borrowed from the bank. If the rate of interest was 40% per annum compounded annually, then what was the value of each installment paid by Rajneesh? Here 40% is the rate. 40% means 40 by 100. 20 goes 2 times in 40, 5 times in 100. So 2-part interest generated out of 5-part principal. Take the principal and amount ratio. Principal is 5-part and amount is 5 plus 2, 7-part for 1 year. Now for the second year, principal is 5 square part and amount is 7 square part, which is equal to 25 is to 49. Now here question clearly says entire amount paid back in 2 equal annual installment, which means here we should equalize the amount in first year and second year. In first year it is 7-part, in second year it is 49-part. So in order to equalize the amount, we should multiply first year amount with 7. Now in order to balance the ratio, multiply 5 with 7 as well. Now we have balanced the ratio as well. And here we have equalized the amount in first year and second year. That is 49-part each. Now if you take the sum of principal, 35 plus 25 is 60-part. And 49 plus 49 is 98-part. That is, here in question, principal is given as 1500. In ratio, principal is 60-part. Total principal is 60-part. So 60-part is equal to 1500. 60 into 25 is equal to 1500, which means 49-part is the amount paid back in 1 year. So 49-part is equal to 49 into 25, which is equal to 5 into 9, 45, remaining 4. 9 into 2, 18, 18 plus 20, 38, 38 plus 4 is equal to 42, remaining 4. 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So, 1225. Option 3 is your answer. A sum triple itself in 9 years at simple interest. Find the rate of interest per annum. Here, consider sum as 100 rupees. Now, this 100 rupees triple means this 100 rupees will become 300 rupees in 9 years. So, difference generated is equal to 200 rupees. This 200 rupees is the simple interest generated in 9 years at the rate of R% per annum. Interest is equal to rate into time. So, 200 generated at R% for 9 years. Then, R% here is equal to 200 by 9. 9 goes 2 times in 18. Again, 9 goes 2 times in 80. Remain is equal to 2 by 9. So, 22 by 2 by 9%. Option 4 is your answer. Rate is equal to 22 and 2 by 9%. A start business with 75,000 and B joins the business 5 months later with an investment of rupees 80,000. After 1 year, they earn a profit of 4,88,000. Find share of A and B. Here A invested 75,000 for 12 months, for 1 year. And B joined 5 months later with an investment of 80,000, means B joined with 80,000 for the remaining 7 months. Now if you take the ratio, K and K cancel. 5 goes 16 times in 80, 15 times in 75. 4 goes 3 times in 12, 4 times in 16. 15 into 3 is 45 and 7 into 4 is 28. So share of A and B is in the ratio 45 is to 28. Now say share of A is equal to 45 divided by total ratio parts is equal to 45 plus 28, which is 73, into total profit generated at the end of the year is equal to 4,88,000. Now 73 goes 5 times in 365. 70 into 5 is equal to 350. 3 into 5 is 615. So 350 plus 15 is equal to 365. Remaining is equal to 43. So again 73 goes 6 times in 438. So remaining you have 00. So 5600 into 45. 5 into 6 30. Remaining 3. 5 into 5 25 plus 24 is equal to 49. 49 plus 3 is equal to 52. Remaining 5. 4 into 5 20 plus 5 25. So 252 0 and you have 00 here. So 2,52,000 is the share of A. Option 1 is your answer. And share of B is equal to remaining 1,56,800. Sin theta plus cosec theta the whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta the whole square is equal to. Here we have tan theta in the option. So put the value of theta as 45 degree for easy calculation. Then sin 45 will become 1 by root 2 and cosec theta is equal to reverse of sin theta. So root 2. Cosec 45 is root 2. Now 1 by root 2 plus root 2 means root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by root 2. Now this is whole square. So 3 by root 2 the whole square plus cos theta means cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Then sec theta is reverse of cos theta. So sec 45 is root 2. So this is also same as 3 by root 2 the whole square. 3 by root 2 the whole square. Now this is equal to 3 square plus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 9 18. And here we have denominator as root 2 square, which is 2. So 2 goes 9 times in 80. So 9 is your answer. And if you look at the option, tan square theta is tan square 45, which is 1. Cot square theta is 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7. This is not your answer. Here also 1 minus 1 is 0. So 7 is in the second option. This is not your answer. Here 7 plus 1 plus 1, which is 9. So option 3 is your answer. If you look at option 4, this is 5 plus 1 minus 1. So this is 5. So this is not your answer. So option 3 is your answer. The value of following is, here in numerator you have 0.7 cube plus 0.3 cube. So this is like a cube plus b cube format. A cube plus b cube formula is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So in denominator you have a square minus ab plus b square. And in numerator a cube plus b cube. So what is missing is a plus b. A plus b means a is equal to 0.7 and b is equal to 0.3. So a plus b is equal to 0.7 plus 0.3, which is equal to 1. Option 2 is your answer.